leading to the next, a bit of more than I could chew. I had the power to sign the checks. It wasn't difficult to do. Couldn't stand facing music. There's so many reasons why I won't be sending postcards from Paraguay, from Paraguay, from Paraguay. I robbed a bank full of dinero, a great big mountain of dough. So it was goodbye, compañero, and cheerio. Couldn't stay and face the music. So many reasons why I won't be sending postcards from Paraguay, from Paraguay, from Paraguay. I never meant to be a cheater, but there was blood on the wall. I had to steal from Peter to pay what I owed to Paul. Couldn't stand the face of me. So many reasons why I won't be sending postcards from Paraguay.